Guys, I hope you are doing wonderful. Great. Again, I am back while taking the redaction syllabus of the Icse class 10 2021 as well as 2022, and this message is for the Icse 10th grade student, those are going to appear the exam in the year of 2022, right? All right, and again I am talking about the student those who have not watched the redaction syllabus of mathematics, biology and other subjects. The link has been given in the description box. Do watch it. And also, if you want to get all the simplified notes, all the handwritten notes, the important questions which generally comes in exam, everything, if you want to get, and everything has been there in the Telegram. The link again it is given in the description box. Do check out. Icse schools, maximum 95% of the school generally they follow Salina conscience book, right? From Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, whatever, from wherever they comes, 95% of the Icse schools follow Salina book. So without making any delay, let the video get started. As the very first chapter of physics generally comes as the force. In the force, everything you have to read starting with the force, types of force, translatory, rotational, equilibrium, dynamic, static equilibrium, numericals, anti-clockwise, clockwise, everything, all the numericals, each and everything. Chapter number 1, force, everything you have to read as it is. Again, coming to the back to the chapter number 2, which is all about work, power and energy. In the particular work, power and energy, everything you have to read as it is. And the most important, again I am talking about the first two exercises. The work, power of energy is very important. The numericals, the in-text question as well as the inside question generally that come in exam. Yes, it is. All right, again it is coming to the third chapter. The third chapter generally it covers simple machine. In the simple machine, the question generally comes, many questions are come from the levers, and yes, I am very delighted to state that the lever has been deleted. The lever part of the machine has been completely reduced. That means you people don't need to study the lever part. The entire lever part, the numericals problem has completely entire deleted. Again, coming to the chapter number 4, light, refraction. Chapter number 5 is very important chapter also. You have to read as it is. Chapter number 5, lens, refraction of a lens. The most important, the reflection of a lens, that generally from particular chapter of refraction of a lens, numericals comes. Numericals like draw the ray diagram, like that. Many, like that means what? Many ray diagram of a lens, and how to form the images. Concave lens, converging lens, diverging lens, concave, convex lens. These are the questions generally asked, and it is section B. The chapter number 5 is generally comes from the section B. Acha, and the things which you don't need to study from the chapter 5, that is a power of lens. That means the most important. Again I am saying, listen to me carefully. Power of lens numerical is completely deleted. Note it down as soon as possible. I hope you all people are just writing it in a steady manner. As well as the most important, again I am talking about numericals. So the power of lens is completely deleted, and I can assume now, I can feel that what is the power of lens, give the formula as well as the SI unit. Generally it will come in exam. Why? Because I am saying the description about it. It will come in exam because of many reasons. What generally the Icse will think that the power of lens student might have omitted, but in the power of lens it has been stated over there that the power of lens numericals has been omitted. But what is a power of lens, the definition of a power of lens, the formula of a power of lens, the SI unit, whether a concave, if the answer is in a positive, if the answer is coming in a positive, whether it is a concave power of lens, negative, positive, many things are there. You have to read it a little bit if you want to secure a very good marks. Again, coming to the spectrum. In a spectrum, everything you have to read as it is, excluding scattering of light. Scattering of light generally comes in the color of light. What are the color? Why sky look blue in color? Danger zone, red, bip gear, scattering of light, whatever, the scattering of light, and these are the things has been omitted. That means scattering of light has been omitted. You don't need to study. Coming to the chapter number 7, it is the sound. In the particular sound, pitch, loudness, quality of a sound has been completely omitted. Not completely omitted, that means maximum things you don't need to study. What you need to study, I am saying you. Entire sound you need to study, as well as you don't need to study that regarding pitch. Many things are there in the pitch, you don't need to study. Quality as well as Loudness also, many things are there. You don't need to study. What you need to study, like only single thing, simply things, definition, factors. Question will come from factors. Question generally comes 1 mark wala. Question generally comes in factors. The factors affecting loudness, speech as well as quality for sound. These general things you have to read. Again coming to the chapter number 7 over. Then again coming to the chapter number 8. That is the current electricity. In the current electricity, many things are there. All the numericals, maximum things are there. Everything you have to read, excluding derivation of the equivalent resistance. What are the derivation which comes in exam? Derivation general comes in a derive, you know, derivation general comes in a equivalent resistance. Derivation you don't need to study. What are the derivation? You will be going to the Selina or Rajna Sagar or, you know, phonics, as well as you can even go to the Goyal, whatever which book you are following, that doesn't matter. The matter is all about you have to omit the derivation of equivalent resistance. What are the derivation? Like parallel resistance, series resistance, parallel resistance derivation, series resistance derivation, everything you have to omit. Derivation you have to omit, but formula you have to remember. You have to memorize the formula, because if you will not memorize the formula, how you will be doing the numericals? That means here he is saying that only derivation you don't need to study. Apart from that, everything you need to study. Again coming to the household circuit. Household circuit again generally comes in exam. 4 mark वाला एक ही क्वेश्चन सवाल पूछा था. Neither board exam generally asks in, you know, you might be thinking how I know everything. I have not scripted anything. Okay, I have not anything scripted on the something like that. Whatever I am saying, it's all about, I think I can say, his experience as well as it's coming from anyway. So generally one only question comes from the household circuit. What are the question? That is the question as, like, you know, in the section B 4 marker question, draw the systematic diagram of a live wire, earthing, fuse, something like that. Earthing, live wire, you don't need to understand more. The systematic diagram of house wire, power distribution, very important. Circuit diagrams, two-way switch, staircase wiring में पूछा आता है ऐसे आता staircase wiring. That means all the diagrams which has been all been reduced, it has been all been deleted, I can say. Deleted, no need to study household circuits. Again it is coming to the electromagnetism, children. Electromagnetism, your last year batch, electromagnetism, it was completely deleted. The entire chapter of electromagnetism was deleted. Again it is back. I can say, not toughest, little bit tricky as well as difficult chapter. Electromagnetism, DC motor, AC motor is going to read. That means you are going to read AC motor, but DC motor you don't need to study, thank God. Transformer, DC motor दिक्कत करता है. DC motor, AC motor बच्चे confuse हो जाते हैं. Many generator, motor, many more are there, ना? The people get confused, right? And I don't need to say much. DC motor and the transformer generally omitted. And the last, second last, I have not written, I forgotten perhaps. Yeah, calorimetry, heat. Everything you have to read as it is. Everything you have to read as it is. Calorimetry, nothing has been deleted. Radioactivity, in the last chapter of the physics, which stands as radioactivity. In the radioactivity, nuclear fission and nuclear fusion has been omitted. This is the things I want to say. Again, I am saying at the bottom, why you are making a delay? Go and take all the notes from the Telegram. And if you want more videos, then definitely do comment in the comment box. Thank you. Cheers.